Looking for dryer vent installation in Pittsboro, North Carolina? Dryer Vent Wizard of Durham is here to deliver safe, efficient, and professional dryer vent solutions. Our team specializes in proper dryer vent installation that improves airflow, enhances efficiency, and helps protect your home from dangerous lint buildup. We use the right materials, correct vent routing, and proven installation techniques to make sure your dryer runs safely and performs at its best. Whether you need a brand new vent installed or outdated ductwork replaced, we provide full system optimization designed for long-term safety and reliability. Schedule your dryer vent installation in Pittsboro, North Carolina, today at the website on your screen, dryerventwizard.com/location/Durham. That's the site right here. Or call us now at 919-642-4608. Dryer Vent Wizard of Durham, your trusted experts for safe, high-quality dryer vent installation. Choose Dryer Vent Wizard of Durham for a cleaner, safer, more efficient home.